Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan 370Z front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket with an extension. Next, open your hood and carefully remove the top cover, which is secured by 6 push pins. Then, use your flathead screwdriver to remove the 7 plastic clips located along the top edge of the bumper. These initial steps prepare the bumper for further detachment. Now, safely lift the front of your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. From underneath, you'll find 10 10mm bolts holding the lower part of the bumper. Remove these. Turn your front wheels to one side to gain access to the fender liner. Remove the plastic clips and 1 10mm bolt securing the fender liner, then gently pull it back to reveal a hidden bolt connecting the bumper corner to the fender. With the fender liner pulled back, unscrew the 10mm bolt that secures the bumper corner to the fender on each side. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the bumper corners outward from the vehicle to release them from their clips. Be mindful of any electrical connections. Disconnect the wiring harnesses for your fog lights or daytime running lights, typically found behind the bumper, by pressing their small release clips. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper is ready for final detachment. It's highly recommended to have an assistant for this step. Gently pull the entire bumper straight forward to fully release it from the vehicle. Once removed, immediately place the bumper on a soft, clean surface, like a moving blanket, to prevent any scratches or damage. Finally, inspect all removed clips and bolts for wear and store them safely for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.